If you're shopping for a Mini, then you've probably seen the letters JCW, but what exactly does that mean? Does it mean more horsepower? Is it just a styling package? Or is it actually a different model? JCW stands for John Cooper Works, named after the legendary engineer John Cooper. John Cooper helped transform the original Mini into a motorsports icon, and today his name represents Mini's performance and racing heritage. Whenever you see a JCW badge, you're looking at a Mini designed with sportier styling, performance inspiration, and a more engaging driver experience in mind. In addition to aggressive styling, a JCW model typically includes a more powerful engine, performance-tuned suspension, upgraded brakes, enhanced driving dynamics, and additional performance engineering. Inside the cabin, a JCW model typically includes a more athletic atmosphere, including features like sport seats with added support, JCW sport steering wheel, premium materials and trim accents, performance-inspired styling details, and exclusive JCW badging. These upgrades help create a cockpit that's more stylish and driver-focused. So if you're looking for maximum performance, sharper handling, and the most powerful Mini experience available, a John Cooper Works model is the best fit for you. Experience the thrill of driving a John Cooper Works Mini by visiting us at Patrick Mini in Schaumburg, Illinois, or browse our inventory on our website at patrickmini.com.